So guys, birds having the same feathers flock together. यानी कि हमारा जो एसोसिएशन है गाइज, उससे प्रैक्टिकली बोल रहा हूँ काफ़ी फ़र्क पड़ता है. अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल पीपल नाउ इन आर मॉडर्न एरा गाइज, दिस इज़ अ वेरी trending topic. People are having mental health issues and all, but the solution here would be very practical, which I'll be giving you. You have to surround yourself with people who are happy, who are confident, and that is the only criteria where you can work on, which is in your control also. So uh, now even if you want to build your body, uh, you go to gym, you train from a guy who already is built up, or he has the knowledge. The surrounding counts. There are many bodybuilders that are doing things. You do not ask everybody, but you grasp by seeing or even hearing. So these things count. And suppose now is if there is a failure of in CA examination, people, or be it any examination, people are not able to clear suppose IAS exams or something like that. One thing is that guys, you have to associate with the rankers of or the toppers of your field. That will absolutely increase your chances of clearing your exam in the next go, because you are listening to those important things if you are with them. uh, Even if you're not engaging a lot with them, but if you're just sitting next to them, it will help a lot. So this logic, this thing applies to almost everything. You are whom you be with. Your association is of very much importance. Do not be in bad association, guys. Now bad can be of anything. It applies to your own situation. um, I think yeah, you shouldn't cut off everybody, like, because just because he's not studying good, I'll not talk to him. No, but you can just cut down the time limit which you give them, and spend more time with them who actually uh, be a part of your goal. So who actually help you achieving your goal, sorry. So yeah, this is it, and hope you benefit something from out of this. So this is not something which you must not be knowing. I'm just reminding you about it. People listen to it and forget about it. Yeah, lastly, I would just say that it's better to be alone uh, rather than just being into those really bad associations. Now you must be knowing who is good and who is bad depending on your own situation. um, as I said, if you do not have to cut down them completely, you just have to spend more time with whom you can achieve your goal much more easily, and just spend a smaller adequate time with those who actually do not contribute to your goal. So this is it, guys, and all the best.